Parliamentary Portfolio Committee probe has revealed that Jinan Mining, one of the companies mining for diamonds in Chiadzwa, could have externalized $500 million to a Botswana account under the pretext of investing in that country. Appearing before the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Youth, Indigenisation and Economic Empowerment, Jinan Deputy Managing Director Mr. Tapiwa Goronga said there were two company accounts operating under Jinan Mining Private Limited, and one of them could have transferred the money with the aid of a local bank which has branches in Botswana. We bring you a clip of Mr. Goronga being questioned by the chairman of the Youth, Indigenisation and Economic Empowerment Portfolio Committee, Comrade Justice Mayor Wadyajena.
Did Jinan transfer the money to ABC Botswana?
Honorable Member, Chairman, Jinan Mining Private Limited is an entity.
Did Jinan...
I just want to give you the understanding.
No, before you give us the understanding,
yes.
I'll respond to the question. Did Jinan Mining Private Limited, did he transfer money? Is it a signatory?
I don't have the documents to that effect, but what I wanted to clarify, the name Jinan Mining Private Limited is a company which was formed by the other shareholder before Jinan, which is mining in Chiadzwa, was inaugurated. So we have two Jinan here.
I want the owner, the Jinan who transferred money from Zimbabwe to Botswana. Who is that Jinan? That's what I want to know only. Nothing further.
Honorable Chair, we are not signatory to that account as an entity, Jinan Mining Private.
So who transferred the money?
Yeah, it was the Jinan which initially existed.
So where are they? We want them here. That's what I'm asking.
That's the other shareholder.
Which one? This other one?
AFEC.
AFEC.